So is this one gonna be for sale?
We'll see how it comes out.
Okay. This is a test. We're trying all new different items, and whatever we like, we're gonna produce on larger scales. Get that right there, whatever that is. It's a mess.
That's why I don't know if I want to sell this one because it's got stains.
Yeah. This one probably won't be for sale, but it is a good test to make sure this design and all is going to work real well for this style of shirt, so that we can, I don't want to use the word mass produce, but produce them on a larger scale. Twist it on up. Abandoned with Vibes is crop top edition. Oh yeah. One more, for good measure.
Okay.
Bingo. To the dyeing rack. Dyeing.
I gotta pick my colors.
Keep them colors dyeing. Look at those onesies. Big decisions of color. What will it be? Our new lot of color. What are we gonna go with today? Some glacier? You know me, I'm itching to see that glacier. Glacier and
citrus
lime.
yellow.
The lime pop I'm interested in as well. Oh yeah, I forgot we got citrus yellow in this mix.
So that's what I think I'm gonna go with.
This row. Look at that. The whole row? You want me to get the other two?
Yeah.
Ho ho. Yeah.
Okay.
Look at that allotment. Oh yeah. Cool. Nice.
Try that pastel color scheme out that I wanted so bad.
Yep. Have been waiting quite a while for it. Now it's here.
And if you mix the colors quick enough, you can sort of get like a gradient going.
Oh wow. Look at that lime pop. Oh yeah. Man, does that lime pop. That lime pop pops. Oh, the glacier.
No, this is Cayman out.
Oh, Kevin, oh, sorry, folks. Getting eager over here. I'm about to get the glacier though.
Lavender's next.
Oh, lavender next. Sorry, I just messed you all apart.
Yeah.
Ooh, man, look at that. Nice.
And flip it over.
Beautimous.
And it was bubble gum right here. And then we got lots of orange. Dump my little yellow mix. And then lime.
Chamomile. And top her off with the lavender.
Okay.
Wow.
Maybe just a sprinkle more bubble gum.
Look at that. Awesome. Alrighty, folks. We'll see y'all tomorrow. Everybody have a good day.